Villa Savoye, Poissy, France. Villa Savoye, located just outside Paris, is a modernist masterpiece by the renowned architect Le Corbusier. Completed in 1931, this iconic home embodies Le Corbusier's 5 points of architecture, which include pilotis, supporting columns, a flat roof terrace, an open floor plan, horizontal windows, and a free facade design. The villa's minimalist design and use of reinforced concrete were revolutionary at the time, setting new standards for modern architecture. The house was designed as a weekend retreat for the Savoye family, and its layout reflects Le Corbusier's vision of a machine for living. The open plan and large windows create a sense of space and light, while the pilotis elevate the structure, giving it a floating appearance. The roof terrace serves as a garden and outdoor living space, blending functionality with aesthetics. Villa Savoye's design has had a profound influence on modern architecture, inspiring countless architects and designers. It's a quintessential example of Le Corbusier's architectural philosophy and remains a symbol of the modernist movement. Visitors to Villa Savoye can experience firsthand the genius of Le Corbusier and the timeless elegance of this architectural gem.